Yes, hello. You don't need to be an expert to get started on Amazon, but because there is a lot, I'm going to cover today in this video about what is Revenue Calculator, Jungle Scout Estimator, and FBA Toolkit, and how to use these tools to get maximum results in an easy way. Bilal Suleman here from worknsolution company, totally based on Amazon at Rawalpindi, Pakistan. So I quickly go to my Chrome browser and I already bookmark all these tools, and you will get these links from my description as well. That's not an issue. So I just go to Amazon right now. Randomly I just choose any product for you guys, and let me just pick any of them. Okay, let me just type in pencil. Okay, so you can see the heaps of results in front of you. I just pick any one of them. Okay, just try this one, and I just go back to the page where we click and start searching on FBA tool. So you can see the bookmark over there. I just click on FBA Toolkit right now. Once I done that, so in this FBA Toolkit, if I can scroll down the page, you can see the different categories in front of you. And once you search for any product, obviously you need that specific product category. So we don't know about this category. What's the magical approach you have to do to get to know about what is the category of that specific product? So if you can see on top of the page, after the reference, you need to raise it, okay, fully, and just press the enter. Once you've done that, you can see bionicotized office product. That means this specific product related to the category of office products. So where that is, that's an office product. Okay, Amazon.com, that's a USA like search engine for that. So what I can do right now, I just copy sales rank of that specific product. I just go back to the page. Okay, scroll down the page where we can find the sales rank of that specific product. Okay, alright, okay. So so this is the BSR of that specific product, and you can see other things. That's a rating. Okay, alright. I just go down the page where I can find the sale rank of that specific product. So best seller rank, that's called the sales rank of that specific product. I just copy it, and over there I just put in without commas. You need to do this by yourself, and click on go. Now you can see 30 days average, and last 15 days, like 15 sale last day. So what that basically meant by, like last day, in this category might be this specific product get 15 sale. So if we can calculate by our own self manually, so 15 multiplied by 30, like 30 days, so we can see by 450 sales might be this specific product getting in this whole scenario. Okay, so in this way you can calculate about how many sales, estimated sales per day that specific category or product getting. Okay, so I just cross it. That's the FBA toolkit. Now I just want to see Jungle Scout Estimator. I just click that one as well. Okay, now what these acha once I want to tell you about this specific Jungle Scout sales estimator. It is specifically for Amazon category, like it will give you the category, like different categories, sales, estimated sales. Okay, bestseller rank, we know the bestseller rank of that specific product, that is 7574. Marketplace is United States of America, and we also know about product category, that's the office product, estimated sales. So this specific product category might be getting estimated sales of 1140. Okay, that's the estimated sale you can also get by choosing this category, that is office product. So this is how you can get the result from Jungle Scout as well. Okay, so that's a second tool, and the last one is FBA Calculator. So once you click on FBA Calculator, you need to use as a guest. Click on guest, search Amazon catalog, you need to click on that one, and on that search bar you need to put ASIN number of that specific product. You just copy it, paste it, search. Alright, I just need to refresh that once again, put in. Okay, that's a product. Okay, sale rank, you can see Bionic as 7574 office product, one offer, ship from Amazon, new price plus shipping. That's a feature offer by seller itself. So if we can go back, you can see Amazon fulfillment, your fulfillment. Let me just talk about your fulfillment. That's, you can say, sale price, that's a price offered by seller to the customer. Okay, shipping charges, price charge to the customer for shipping, that's a shipping cost paid by seller, buyer itself. Okay, so we are not including that one. Amazon fees, okay, that's the Amazon fee taken by itself. No fulfillment cost because you are doing by your own self. Okay, storage cost, nothing. Okay, other costed, okay, nothing. Estimated cost per unit is 2.42. Net profit per unit, that is $7.11. Net margin, net profit, you can see 7.11, and net margin is 74.61. You think about that's a huge margin you be taken by using FBM, but this is not like that. Once you have to put these all, like cost, whatever the cost you have to pay, once you done that, you can see after that, you know, the net margin and net profit will be decreased, because we are not putting anything in these specific category. But today we are talking about how you can see how you can calculate the cost and profit margin of specific product. And on the left side you can see if you wanna do FBA, like fulfilled by Amazon, you can see Amazon fees, that's a raffle fee, fixed closing fee as well, variable cost fee. Now fulfillment fees as well, like a wrapping, bagging, label, tape, that's a cost, you know, they are charging. Storage cost as well. So below that, if you can see, the net profit is 3.81, net margin $40.01, 40.01%. You know, you be getting a net margin. Okay, so again, we didn't pick, like put any cost of goods sold, the miscellaneous cost, and any other cost that will be also decreases. Okay, so this is how these are the three tools which help out for you guys to get results like on calculation basis. You can see your competitors estimated sales as well, and a lot of things as well. Thank you so much for you. I hope this video will be help out for you. Thank you.